Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Nordstrom affiliate program for fashion commission tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Nordstrom affiliate program URL. Press enter to navigate to the website. On the home page, locate the login option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your credentials for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Sign In button. After logging in, you will be taken to the affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Look for the Commission Tracking section. In this section, you can view your earnings and performance metrics. To access detailed reports, click on the Reports tab. Select the date range you wish to analyze. Review the statistics available for your selected period. If necessary, export the reports for further analysis. Always log out after you're finished to maintain security. Keep your login credentials secure for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.